Using the IRmadillo process analyzer in a continuous process. Hello. This video will demonstrate how to start using your IRmadillo in a continuous process for the first time. You will take a background scan, which is only needed for the first time that the IRmadillo is used, and you will start to collect spectral data. Before starting, the spectrometer must be thermally stable and must be fully purged with clean, dry air or nitrogen, and the probe tip must be clean. Please refer to Kite's hardware training video and user manual for instructions on how to purge and clean the probe. The spectrometer will automatically log into the spectrometer user account, run KeitSpec, and start to return spectra. This may take several minutes. I'm going to open KeitSpec in simulated mode to demonstrate the software. While the spectrometer is turning on, you may see some warnings in KeitSpec. These should disappear within a few minutes. If they do not, contact Kite for support. When the spectrometer is ready to use, you will see a green tick appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and the words Spectrometer OK will appear. The Errors and Warnings pane will show no errors or warnings, and Live Spectra will appear in the Spectrum pane. When the probe is clean and dry and the spectrometer is fully purged, you are ready to begin data collection. The first step is to create a project file. Click the purple folder icon in the top left-hand corner of KeitSpec and select New Project and Continuous Collection. Choose where you would like the project file to be saved and name it. Next, collect a background scan. Change the time to collect backgrounds to 30 minutes by selecting Min in the drop-down and then entering 30 into the text box. Click the Background Scan button and click Collect New Background. While a background scan is being collected, the Background Scan button will turn green. The status indicator in the bottom left corner will change to Collecting Background. The progress bar on the bottom right will fill up. Please note that you cannot stop the background scan once you've clicked on it to start. When the background scan has been collected, you can install the spectrometer into your process. To set up and start data collection, click on the Configure Acquisition tab. Kite recommends setting the scan averaging duration to 120 seconds by entering 120 in the text box. Load a chemometric model by clicking the Configure button. Click the blue plus icon and select the type of chemometric model that you have. Please refer to the software user manual to find out more about different types of models. If you do not have a model, Kite recommends loading a univariate model so that you can see incoming data. A univariate model measures the maximum, minimum, and average values for a region of the spectrum. This can be useful for peak height tracking over time. When you have loaded your chemometric models, click the Done button. Click the purple Start Saving button to begin data collection. When data collection has started, the Start Saving button will be grayed out, the Stop Saving button will turn red, and the progress bar on the bottom right will fill up to show the progress of the current scan average. You can see the saved data in the Project Data Viewer tab. The top plot shows the outputs of your chemometric models over time. These are the concentrations measured by the spectrometer. Hover your cursor over this plot to show the absorbance spectrum in the bottom plot. Your spectrometer is now collecting and storing spectral data and predictions. If you have any issues, please contact Kite using the email address shown on your desktop. Please include screen grabs from KeitSpec showing any error messages that appear.